DJI Mini 5 Pro, QuickShots Rotate. Got that coming up next. Bill, Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The features on the DJI Mini 5 Pro are out of this world. One of the new features that added to QuickShot was Rotate. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. And note, part of it is going to be in screen view only. Okay, today we're going to take the DJI Mini 5 Pro up to test another feature. It's a wonderful day today, maybe a little bit more warm and humid, but still pretty awesome for fall. Let's go ahead and get screen recording started here. Okay, screen recording is underway. Let's move it out of the way like I like to do. We have 29 satellites and we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and take off.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Okay, let's get it up to about 100 feet like we like to do. And we are there. Let's go ahead and get recording at 4K 60. Let's go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal. Okay, let's go ahead and go forward here a little bit. Can hear it is a little on the breezy side today. We're probably about maybe 15 plus mile an hour winds today, so it's not calm by any stretch of the imagination as far as today is concerned. Let's back up here a little bit. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and stop the video recording and let's get into master shots here. Or quick shots. All right, let's get into quick shots here. Okay, we're going to try something new today. It's called Rotate. And I think it's kind of self-explanatory. So we're going to kind of start what we need to do here. Okay, we have forward 180 degrees. That's good. So let's go ahead and get started with that.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, this is just freaking awesome here. I love this. Wow, that was incredible. That was absolutely incredible. Let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and go up to the fountain and do this. Let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal. That would help here. There we go. You want to see where we're at. So we're at the tennis courts and bocce ball courts. Let's go ahead and back that up. Now in a future video, there's a manual way of being able to control the gimbal rotation. I wanted to show you the automated way today. And it's with the function buttons and right thumb wheel. C1 and the right thumb wheel. So let's go ahead and now I'm not doing video recording right here. But I am doing a screen recording, so this is what you're seeing right now. So we're going to go down a little bit, down 19th Avenue. We're going to go ahead and stop it here. Now we'll go ahead and turn around. And get in a little closer because this is not this QuickShot doesn't last very long. I want to make sure that we can get that perspective. Let's go up just a little more here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start this.
3, 2, 1.
It's incredible what you're able to do with these cameras right now. It is just absolutely incredible. Look at this. And 97, 98, 99, 100, and it's done. Okay, now you got to adjust the pitch of the gimbal back to where it is. And there's the fountain. So we're going to go ahead and get back into regular modes here. Back to video. I'm gonna shoot. Take a little zoom in on the fountain, see how things are today with the fountain. That is a great shot. I absolutely love that. It was a 3x zoom right there. Okay, let's go ahead and do a return to home here.
Return to home.
It has been quite breezy the past couple of days. It's about 15, 20 miles an hour, and the Mini 5 Pro is holding its own. It's doing very well. Let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. Kind of confuses the return to home focus there. Okay. Now again, this is quite a breezy day. Let's see how it does on the landing here. And boy, you can hear the motors. They're working overtime right now. It's moving back and forth here all over the place. Okay, that is absolutely impressive with the way the wind was. Well, today we did a successful test of QuickShots Rotate, and you got to see it in action, and it is just absolutely incredible feature that they have added to the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Mini 5 Pro QuickShots Rotate? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.